Hello, my little St. Josephites. Welcome to the e-class. This is your third e-class of maths. I am your maths teacher, Miss Nutan. I hope you all have completed assignment of the previous class. In the previous class, we learned counting 1 to 70. Before moving further, we'll revise the previous topic. Are you ready? Let's start. So let's revise counting 1 to 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now come to the next line. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20, 2, 1, 21, 2, 2, 22, 2, 3, 23, 2, 4, 24, 2, 5, 25, 2, 6, 26, 2, 7, 27, 2, 8, 28, 2, 9, 29, 3, 0, 30. Yes, it's number 30. Now we will start from 31. 3, 1, 31. 3, 2, 32. 3, 3, 33. 3, 4, 34. 3, 5, 35. 3, 6, 36. 3, 7, 37. 3, 8, 38. 3, 9, 39. What comes after 39? Number 40. It's 4, 0, 40. 4, 1, 41. 4, 2, 42. 4, 3, 43. 4, 4, 44. 4, 5, 45. 4, 6, 46. 4, 7, 47. 4, 8, 48. 4, 9, 49. What comes after 49? Yes, it's number 50. It's 5, 0, 50. Next number is 51. So start with 51. 5, 1, 51. 5, 2, 52. 5, 3, 53. 5, 4, 54. 5, 5, 55. 5, 6, 56. 5, 7, 57. 58, 58. 59, 59. What comes after 59? Children, tell me now. Number 60. It's 6, 0, 60. Now come to the next row. 61, 61, 61. 62, 62. 63, 63. 64, 64. 65, 65. 66, 66. 67, 67. 68, 68. 69, 69. 70, 70. 70, 70. Children, now at home you have to read the counting again and again. Children, now we will move on to the next part, counting 71 to 100. So, in your maths notebook, write down the date, then CW here, and in first line we have to write the topic counting 71 to 100. See what is the spelling of counting? COUNTING, counting 71 to 100. After writing the topic, skip a line, then we will write TO. From which number we are writing? 71. So first of all we will write here 7, 1, 71. 7, 2, 72. 7, 3, 73. 7, 4, 74. 7, 5, 75. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Then 76, 76. 7, 7, 77. 7, 8, 78. 7, 9, 79. And now 8, 0, 80. Check your line. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 80. Now put a cross. We will skip this line. Again write TO, and after 80, which number will come here? 8, 1, 81. Yes. 8, 2, 82. 8, 3, 83. 8, 4, 84. 8, 5, 85. Then 8, 6, 86. 8, 7, 87. 8, 8, 88. 8, 9, 89. 9, 0, 90. Read all the numbers. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 and 90. Then again put a cross, skip a line, then write H, T, then O. Now we will start 91 from tens ones here. 91, 91, 92, 92. Children, you may be thinking why ma'am has written here H, T, O. है ना? I will tell you later. Okay? First of all, we will write the numbers till 99. 93, 93, 94, 94, 95, 95, 96, 96, 97, 97, 98, 98, 99, 99. See, till 99 there are only two numbers. See, in every line there are only two numbers. But after 99, for 100, we need one more place. Okay, in 100 there are three numbers. See, 0, 0 and 1. This is number 100. So 1 will come under hundreds place. Okay. So today our counting 71 to 100 is finished. Read it once again with ma'am. 71 71, 72 72, 73 73, 74 74, 75 75, 76 76, 77 77, 78 78, 79 79, 80 80, 81 81, 82 82, 83 83, 84 84, 85 85, 86 86, 87 87, 88 88, 89 89, 90 90. Now the last line. 91 91, 92 92, 93 93, 94 94, 95 95, 96 96, 97 97, 98 98, 99 99, and it is 100 100. After writing counting 71 to 100, I will show you on your homework page. Here again you will write date, HW and topic. Okay. So here on this page you will write counting 71 to 100, and on the next page I am giving you another homework. See, here we have finished all the counting now from 1 to 100 numbers. So here write down the date, homework, and one time you will write counting 1 to 100. Okay, children? Dear children, let's revise all the numbers 1 to 100. Shall we start? Now revise with me, counting 1 to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 60. Now 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 and 70, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Dear parents, I request you to show the children all the video classes which have been uploaded on YouTube repeatedly. I also request the parents to kindly subscribe the YouTube channel of St. Joseph's Academy Ghaziabad so that you can watch the videos easily. My dear children, today we practiced numbers 71 to 100. Revise all the work again and again. We will now meet in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.